this boozer platform again. If you've gone through my channel, if you've gone through the video I've posted earlier, you will see that I have actually been talking about this platform for a very long time. I've actually been talking about this channel for a about this platform and how it is paying massively for a very long time. So I've been doing some online investigation about this platform. Although it's been playing, I've been doing some online investigation on how to earn more on this platform, on how to do it. So although they've updated their app, for those who are actually using this platform right now, there have been some upgrade to the platform, there have been some update to the app, so whereby you can now add your story to the last. You can see right here, you can add your story. Okay, you can add your story, and there also been some other update to the app too. As you can see very right here, this is actually a verified user. Earlier I could not see, during my research earlier I could not see verified users, but you can see this is a verified user. This is someone that also actually has an account, and also a verified user actually. So this is a verified user on this platform. And what happened to you when you get verified on this platform? What happened to you is, if you go to your points, you can see very well, you can go to withdraw your money. This point right here is the money you can go to withdraw. If I click on send right here, that I want to send it out to my distance, you can see your profile is not verified. So in order to send your point, you must verify your profile. So it must be verified before I can do it. I can see right here, I have placed my verification. Order. Actually, it is free, not like other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, where you have to pay for verification. No, this is actually free. Once you are being able to monetize your platform to gain followers, when you are being able to build up your followers, you can be able to get it. So for the time being, with my new account right here, I've placed my this in, and I've gotten over like 1,000 views actually, and I've gotten over $1, $1.003 for the views only. Oh, that's for the monetization, for the views. That's what they have paid me. Remember when I told you that at the very first time, the moment you start posting, you can start monetizing, you start earning on this platform. Unlike other social media platforms where you have to reach certain requirements. No, once you start posting, once you get engagement, they will start paying you. That's very simple. So actually, if you are also coming across this video of mine for a very first time, or I've already done a video earlier on how to create an account on this platform, what to do, how to earn on this platform, so you can just go back, watch those videos, so you can get up to date with the current one I'm actually doing right now. Also, if you are coming to my channel for a very first time, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when I post updates like this on how to make money online. Okay, so let's head back. So I have done some investigation earlier. Okay, I've done some, because this is another verified user. So recently I have been seeing verified user. Most of my page actually now are of verified users only. That's what I've been seeing recently. I don't know why, since morning that's how it has been. Though there have been some updates, maybe that's why, or my account is about to be verified, either of the two. But these are the platforms. You can see this, most of them are actually now verified user. But I'll be doing some investigation. Now most people are saying this platform is all about sports. Okay, that's what most people have been saying. This platform is all about. You can see right here, this is a verified user. He did not put something concerning sports right here now. This is not something concerning sports, but he has over 113 likes. That will be over 2k to 3,000 views for him to get that much like. Yeah, you can see very well. Okay, let's scroll down. Let me look for something that is not sports. Okay, I think that's my refresh feed. Okay, let me look for something that is actually not sports. So recently now, I've been doing some research about this platform. See, one thing about the platform is that when you do something that is unique, when you do something that is different from what other people are doing, you tend to receive engagement more. So this platform is not all about sports. It's not all about sports. So most people are not saying that maybe it's because everybody is posting sports. That if you don't post sports, you won't be able to get engagement. No, that's not the platform. This is a new social media platform that's coming on board. Although it gives sports an advantage. But whereby you posting on another different niche rather than sports, also give you an advantage, because you are doing what others are not doing. Because most people are coming to this platform with the mindset of posting things about sport, but you are coming to this platform with another mindset. On this platform, look at this right here. You can see this platform actually, this guy got over 317 likes, 67 comments. He didn't post something about sports. This is something creativity. So you can see right, this platform is not all about sports. Okay, so this is another verified user. He didn't post about sports, he posted about something else. Okay, let's view his profile. You can see very well. Okay, you can see he's another verified user. He didn't post about sports. This is a video of something else he posted online. So at this moment right here, all you have to do is you don't need to create content on your own. You can go over to TikTok, Facebook. All you have to do is just download their content and bring it back online to this platform and post it. That's all you have to do. Once you are able to do this, you can go to get more engagement on this platform. That's just one thing. That's how you can grow. And secondly, how you can grow on this platform actually, it is not just by how you post. Now I get, you see, it works with algorithm, just the way TikTok and other platform works with algorithm. Just the same way this platform works with algorithm. So earlier I told you that this is your reel, there's your story, and there's your post. The three options are down below. So if you come to your post, let's say now you tend to get more engagement on your post than your reels. That's your reels are your video. So you tend to get more engagement on your post than your reels. So for if you are starting up on this platform, you want to grow your platform. Let's say if you have to be posting 3 times a day, you need to be posting like one reels and 2 posts. If you do it consistently like for a month, you can be able to grow up to 100 to 300 to 400 followers on this platform. Getting up to over 500 followers, you are eligible for verification, and that's it. Once you are eligible for verification, you can go to withdraw from your points. Now, although when you are not verified, you can still be able to place withdrawal. There are actually 2 ways to earn on the platform, either through monetization or through points. Like I said, there are either through monetization or through points. So you are eligible to withdraw 2 points when you are already a verified user on this platform. Okay, so that's just everything you get to know about this platform. If you actually have not joined this platform, I'll be leaving a link down below for you to join this platform. Actually, I'll also be leaving the link to the video. It will be right in the up corner right here of this video. To be in the top right corner of this video, on how to create an account on this platform, how to get started on this platform. So make sure to join this platform and start making money online. Start monetizing your content on this platform and start making money online. We are out.